So today I'm going to be using Garnier hair color product. So this one is in the color of black. I did purchase it from Walmart between $7 to $8. So this one is a permanent. So just be aware, this is my first time using this type of product. So yeah. Mind you, my hair is relaxed, and as you just saw, all of the products that was inside the box. So I'm getting ready to mix up everything so that way we can go ahead and start the process. Reading directions is not my forte, so comment down below if you like to read directions. I don't, but this one I had to because I did not want to mess up my hair. And mind you, ladies, that if you are relaxed, you have to make sure that you wait 2 weeks post your relaxer before putting in a permanent hair color. And then you have to wait another 2 more weeks after you put your hair color in before you can get another relaxer. So yes, as you can see, my hair is kind of like a sandy brown. You probably already saw that on my thumbnail, but yeah, as you can see, my hair is kind of like sandy brown, like I said. And girl, I need a hair color, so I just chose black because it was just more natural looking, and black hair looks a little bit more healthier in my opinion on my head versus like a red or blonde. So yeah, I just chose black because it's the safest color for me. So girl, my hair is pitch black compared to what's in the back. All right, so I believe it said to leave it in for about 15-20 minutes. Well, 15 minutes, as you can see right here. And I'm going to leave it in and then wash it out. And then here are my results. Well, child, I ain't even washed this out yet, so it's like pitch black right now. But this is what my hair looks like right before I washed it out. Now, after I washed it out, I do apologize for the camera. I used my Canon camera versus my phone because my phone had died. So, yep. So this is what my hair looks like after it has been permanently treated with black hair color. It feels nice. It feels nice. You know, everything took. I don't see anything that was not correct, but I did kind of like color my scalp a little bit, but I did put some oil around my edges, so just in case you were wondering. So this is what the back of my hair looks like. I do have an undercut. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do so for more hair content, and I will chat with you guys later. Goodbye, gorgeous.